Hey, it's Mega Bands clocking in. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how to get free ringtones on iPhone. Cause what you know is if you want a ringtone, normally you would have to go to iTunes and pay for the song and such and such and such. But what I learned is you don't have to do that. So with the two apps you would need to get, it's this app right here that I'm holding called Documents over here, and you will also need GarageBand. This right here that I'm moving. Yes, you will need this too. These two apps will allow you to do things that you won't expect, and I'm going to show you. So of course, you'll go on the App Store. Of course, look it up. It won't be the first one, but that's already come on the phone. This one, you will know which one it is. It has the white background, with the black D with the green, yellow hanging down. Then after you download that, you will want to download this. You will know what this one is. It has a guitar icon with orange and yellow. Okay, so after you download those, first you'll want to go to Documents. Not now. So after you go to Documents, you will just swipe over from the bottom right, and it will take you to this. Okay, you will go to YouTube dot excuse me, YouTube.com. Okay, so after you go to YouTube.com, you will search up any song you want. Okay, I'm just going to use Walked In Bankroll Fresh. So you will click on it. Okay. And then you will click this arrow that's next to the plus sign by the thumbs up, thumbs down button, the share button. You will copy the link. Then, after you copy the link, you would want to go to YouTube to type in YouTube to MP3. Then you go to the first website that pops up. After you do that, after you get here, you paste the link. Click done. After you're done, you want to click start. Now we're just going to wait for it to load. As you see, it loads pretty fast. Okay, then you should get to this screen. Do not click convert again. You will want to click download. Okay, if it's your first time doing it, this might pop up. It might try to take you to the iTunes store. But don't worry, just go right back. Because it happened to me my first time. Just go right back. First website. Trust me, it works. That's how I got the ringtone I got now. Thank you, Jesus. It downloads so fast. Okay, as I said, click download. Please don't do it again. Okay, then after it take you to this screen, you can change the name. You can change the name of what you would want it to be called to, but that doesn't really matter to me. Then after you do, change the name or whatever, or keep it the same. Click done. After you click done, you can be able to go back, click on the iCloud. Oh, excuse me, y'all. After you click on the see, these is ringtones I already have. Okay, after I click on downloads, as you see, these are the two ringtones that I have. The first one, the Young and Ace, that's the ringtone I already have. Bankroll Fresh, this is the one I just got, so you will know by the title. You click the three little dots at the bottom right, and then after you click the three dots, you will want to click share. After you click share, click at the bottom left, you'll see save the files. Click that. Then after you click on iCloud Drive, click the one that says Documents by Riedel, and click Add. After you click Add, it automatically goes to it. So after you click Add, you'll then go on the second app you downloaded. Click that. You'll click the plus if you have this app already. See, go around, go around, go around, go around. You will want to click the one that says audio recorder. Make sure you click that one. Then you just click OK. So you'll want to click if you look on the top left, you see there's an arrow pointing down, and then there's a button that has a whole bunch of lines on it. Click the one that has a lot of lines on it. It takes you to this screen. You then want to click on the top right. There's a little loop-de-loop. Click that. Then you go to audio files. Excuse me, y'all. Browse items from the file app. After you click on browse items from the file app, click on the one that you want to use. After you click the one you want to use, hold it down. I don't know what happened. Oh, here it goes. Hold it down till it takes you to this screen. You then want to move it to the top and move it all the way to the end, to where you get to the number one. Then extend it all the way out so you get the whole song. Delete the second microphone. And after you're done, you click the arrow pointing down all the way at the top left. Click My Songs. Okay, and it's going to take you to this screen. After it takes you to this screen, click whatever. If it's your first song, click the first one. If it's not, click the second one. Then you'll hold it. Then after you hold it, click share. Then it'll take you to this screen. Then you'll want to go to click a ringtone. Then click export. Right now it's exporting as my ringtone. Then it'll pop up on this screen. Use. Then you click use sound as. Standard ringtone, standard text tone, assigned to contact. Click the one that says standard ringtone. So that happens when people FaceTime you, that ringtone plays. When people call you, that ringtone plays. And that is the end of this video, guys. That's how you get your own ringtone. Oh, and to let you know that it's not fake, you just go to your settings, go to sounds, or ringtone. And now you know that it works. So this is how I get my ringtones without having to pay. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, drop a comment. I'm posting every day, so keep looking for my videos. Thanks for watching.